Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will start 8th class linear equations in one variable, the other part of the topic. Before going to do that, we will be talking about the thought today. Attitude determines direction. What do you mean by this, children? Attitude. Attitude means how do we behave, our way of expression about the things that are happening around us, about various experiences that we are getting in our life. That shows attitude. If somebody comes to our house, how are we behaving? If somebody asks you something, how are you behaving? This all, this all will come under our attitude. Mostly, attitude will be identified by the other children. We people will just behave as we are, but others will understand our attitude and they start talking about us. We can't go to that person, he shows attitude. What do you mean by that? Feeling that we are very great. That is not correct, children. We should have in our mind one thought that everyone is having some or the other greatness in them. So we will be having our own positive waves in us. But even then, everyone should be always down to earth. Down to earth in the sense what? We should accept the greatness of the others. We should not always be proud of what we are. We should observe others. We should observe their good qualities. Question yourself whether you are having it or not. Own them if you are not having. Explore them if you are having. This is what the thing, children. Attitude always, it determines. What does it determine? It determines the direction. What is the direction? The direction in which we need to lead our life. So always we should develop a positive attitude about anything and any person. Negativity, if it comes in our mind, that will spoil our mood, that will spoil our activeness, that will spoil our day. So if you get any negativeness, means anything not interested, not I don't want to do it, this kind of thoughts, just keep it aside. Why don't you find that definitely there will be something interesting in it? Observe it, own it, and do the thing. Never hesitate to do any work that has come in your way, children. A work has come to you means it has come to you to teach you something. Take that lesson. That lesson will make you to prosper in your life. Let us come back to our lesson. This is exercise 2.4. I'm doing exercise 2.4 from third problem onwards. I have to do. Third problem is a number consists of, it goes on like this. So a number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. Already an example we have done, a two digit number whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. I have already explained to you, children. A two digit number means, suppose you have taken 32. This is units place, this is tens place. This tens place, units place number, units number will be only 2 because it is in units place, but tens place number becomes 3 into 10, that is 30. You have already explained, you children, face value and place value. Basing on the place value and face value is 3 in the place of 10, so its number is 30. So basing on that, let us suppose that let the units place digit is equal to x. Then what did they do? They have told you one thing. What did they say? They say that the sum of units, units digit and tens digit. Units digit plus tens digit. Their sum is equal to how much they said? Sum of two digits is 9. So units digit is x plus tens digit is equal to 9. So what is a tens digit? Tens digit will be 9 minus x. Therefore, what will be the number? The number will be tens digit should be multiplied by 10 and you have to add x. So, how much you are getting, children? 90 minus 10x plus x. That means 90 minus 9x is the number. Now, what they have told, if 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. What did they say? If 27, according to problem, if 27 is subtracted from the number, if 27 is subtracted from the number, what is that they are done? The number, the digits are reversed. Reversed digits means tens place becomes units place, units place becomes tens place. It becomes 10x plus 9. On reversing, you are getting the number as 10x plus 9 because the units digit is x. So units digit is x. Tens digit is 9 minus x, children. So units digit becomes tens digit. Tens digit becomes units digit. What did they say? On subtracting 27 from the number inverse, that is the number reverse, they said. We have taken units digit, units digits as x, tens digit as 9 minus x. Now, what happens when it reverse? Tens digit becomes x, units digit becomes 9 minus x. So, what will be the number becomes tens digit 10 into x plus units digit 9 minus x. This is what I have written here, children. 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equal to 10x plus 9. 10x is the units digit has become 10 tens digit and 9 minus x, that is tens digit I have written in units place. So how I have done? I have written it here, children. So what am I getting? 90 minus 27. How much you are getting? 3 here, 63. So 63 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. So let us continue. Now again 63, this 9 I am sending it here, minus 9 is equal to 9x. This 9 when I send it there, 9 plus 9x. So 63 minus 9. How much are you getting? 63 minus 9 is how much, children? 4, 5, 54. 63 minus 9 is 54 is equal to 18x. So what is x? 54 by 18. 18 threes are 54. X is 3. What is x, children? Therefore, units digit is equal to 3. Then what is tens digit? Tens digit, We have done 9 minus x, that is 9 minus 3, that is 6. So tens digit 6, units digit 3. Therefore, what will be the number? The number is 6 into 10 plus 3, that is 60 plus 3. 63 is your answer. This is the third problem, children. Please copy it. Now, next problem. Fourth problem. A number is divided into a number is, it goes on like this. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio of 5:3, find the number and two parts. One part is 2 more than the other. So, what do we consider, children? There are a number is divided into two parts. They have taken it into two parts. So, one part is 2 more than the other. So, let us take the ratio they have given, that is first part is to second part. They have given first part is to second part. Let me see. First part is to second part is first part is to second part. They have given 5:3. So as this indicates, the bigger number you have to take 5 and the smaller number you have to take 3. What did they say? A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. So you take, let first part is equal to x plus 10, and then second part is equal to x. So we will say that therefore x plus 10 is to x is equal to 5:3. 5:3. You know that product of means is equal to product of extremes. So 5x is equal to 3 into x plus 10. So 5x is equal to 3x plus 30. 5x minus 3x is equal to 30. So 2x is equal to 30. So when 2x is equal to 30, what is x, children? X is equal to 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. X is equal to 15. What is x is equal to 15? Second part. Therefore, second part is 15. Second part is equal to 15. So what is first part? 15 plus 10, that is equal to 25. These two are the answers, children. Write down. Now, I'll go to the fifth problem. When I triple a number, when I triple a number, it goes on like this. When I triple a certain number and add 2, means number is tripled. Tripled means multiplied by 3 and add 2, I get the same number as I do when I subtract a number from 50. When I subtract the number from 50, if the number is subtracted, how much is the answer that he gets? The same answer he will get if he triples a number and add 20 and add 2 to it. Find the number. So let us suppose that let the number is equal to x. So according to problem, what that the problem says, when I triple a number means 3x and add 2 to it, 2 means plus 2. When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same number as I do when I subtract the number from 50. That means from 50, if I subtract the number, what am I getting? The same answer I will be getting when I triple a number and add 2 to it. This is the equation, children. So 3x plus x is equal to 50 minus 2. This is how much, children? 4x is equal to 48. So what is x? 48 by 2. That is how much, children? Answer? Sorry, 48 by 4. This is 4. So 4 1 the 4 2 the. So x is equal to 12. So the number is equal to 12. This is the answer of the fifth problem. Now we'll go to the sixth one. Mary is twice older than her sister. It goes on like this. So, what is the question? Mary is twice older than her sister in 5 years' time. That means after 5 years, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Means after 5 years, whatever will be her age, that will be 2 years more than her sister. Find how old are they now. The present age you have to find out. What is the present age of Mary and her sister? So first let us suppose that let, because she is twice, Mary is twice older than her sister. So let Mary's sister's present age is equal to x. Then what is Mary's age? She is twice older than, that means 2x. X years here, 2x years here. Now what is the problem says? Mary is twice older than her sister in 5 years time, means after 5 years. After 5 years, Mary's sister's age will be equal to x plus 5 years, and Mary's age will be equal to 2x plus 5 years, because whatever is their present age, to that if you add 5, the same thing you are getting. But what does the problem says? According to problem, what does the problem says? After 5 years, after 5 years, she will be, that is Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. Mary's age will be 2 years more than her sister. That means 2x plus 5 minus 2 is equal to x plus 5 because she is having 2 years more. No? So that more value if you remove, that should be equal to the age of her sister. So how much you are getting? 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 5. So 2x minus x is equal to 2x minus x. When I bring x here, minus x is equal to 5 minus 3 plus 3 when it goes there, minus. So what is x? X is equal to 2. What is x, children? Mary's sister's age is equal to 2 years. Then what is Mary's age? 2 times of 2, that is equal to 4 years. So these two are the answers. Please note down this. Now, seventh sum. In 5 years time, in 5 years time, it goes on like this. Let me read. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. Means after 5 years, whatever will be her age, that will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. Means before 9 years, what was her age? 3 times of that age will be Reshma's age after 5 years. How old is she now? So let Reshma's age is equal to x years. Then what does the problem says? In 5 years. So what is her age? In 5 years, her age will be equal to x plus 5 years. And what is that they are saying? 9 years ago. So 9 years ago, her age will be x minus 9 years. Ago means before, no children. So from now, your age 9 years back means your age should be subtracted by 9. And from now, 5 years after means you have to add 5. The same thing I have done. But what did the problem says? According to problem, what does the problem says? Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. That means x plus 5 is equal to 3 times x minus 9. 3 times 9 years ago age. That means x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 27. So you can write this like this also. That means 3x minus 27 is equal to x plus 5. 3x minus x is equal to 5 plus 27. 2x is equal to 32. 27 plus 5, 32. What is x? 32 by 2, that is 16. So x is equal to 16. Therefore, Reshma's age is equal to 16 years. This is her answer. Her age, Reshma's age. Please note down, this is 7th one. Now, we will see 8th problem. A town's population. The problem is 8th one. A town's population. It goes on like this. Let me read this. A town's population is 1200. A town's population increased by 1200 people. Whatever the population is there, to that 1200 is added. Then the new population means that old population plus 1200 decreased 11%. After increasing 1200, the whole thing is decreased by 11%. The town now had 32 people less than it did before 1200 increase. So after adding 1200 people and subtracting from it the 11% of decreased people, then what happens? The town now had 32 people less than it did before 12 before the 1200 increase. Find the number means before 1200 increase, the original town people. Some people are there originally children. To this original people, 1200 is added. After adding what they did, you will be getting a new number. No, that town people, original town people, and then 1200, you will be getting the new number. To this new number, 11% is decreased. In that 11%, when they have decreased, what they have observed is whatever answer or whatever number of people that they have got, those people are 32 less than the original people. 32 less people than it before it did before the 1200 increase. That means original. Before 1200 increase, original town population. So find the original town population. You need to find out the original town population. So what you will consider is let the original town population is equal to original town population is equal. Let us see original town population. What did they say? After increasing 12%, no? Original population plus 1200. These two you consider as x. Original town population plus 1200, if you consider it as x, then how much they have decreased percentage is equal to 11%. That means what they have done, from x they have decreased 11% of x. Then what did they get when they have decreased this from the original population? Original population will be how much? X minus 1200, because what is this x? This is original population plus 1200 is x. Now what are we doing? From this 12, x, if you subtract 1200, you are getting original population, and from that you are subtracting 32, because he has found that before adding 1200, whatever is the number of people that they are, from that 32 less they have got. So this is the equation that you will be getting, children. What they did, they have taken a certain population of the town, and to that they have added 1200. So from the original population, when they have 12 added 1200, we are considering it as x. Then what did they do? They have decreased 11% from this x. So x minus 11% of x. What are we getting here? What he did, if he has done like that, he observed that he got 32 people less than how many, less than original population. What is original population? This 1200 should be subtracted from x. So I have written x minus 1200. That means x minus 11 by 100 into x is equal to x minus 1200 minus 32. That means how much you will be getting, children? X minus 11x by 100 is equal to x, both are minuses, minus 1, 2, 3, 2 you are getting. So here what you will take? You will take LCM 100x minus 11x is equal to x minus 1, 2, 3, 2. That is 1232. So let us continue our calculation. 100 minus 11. What is 100 minus 11 you will be getting? From 100, if you subtract 11, you will be getting 9 here, you will be getting 8. 89. Okay. So 89x by 100 is equal to, we can write 89x is equal to 100 into x minus 1 to 3. What did I do? This 100, I send it there, division becomes multiplication. So 89x is equal to 100x minus 1 to 3, 2, 0, 0. Now, what am I doing is, I am bringing this here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 0, 0 is equal to 100x minus 89x. That means 1, 2, 3, 2, 0. That means 1,23,200 is equal to, from 100, if you subtract 89, you are getting 11, 11x. So what is x? 1,23,200 by 11. So 11 you can cancel by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. That is, you will be getting this much. 11,200 you will be getting. This is x value. What is x, children? Original population. Original population plus 1200 is equal to 11,200. So we want original population. Original population is 11,200 minus 1200. So how much you will be getting? 10,000. So 10,000 is the original population. So this problem, once again I'll explain. In a town's population, what did they do is, they have added 1200 people. They'll get some number. From that number, They have subtracted 11% of that number. Then they have got another number. Then when they have observed, they have understood that what was the original population. From that 32 people are less here. Now, what is the original population they are asking? So, what have we discussed here now? The original town population and 12% added. After adding 1200, we are considering it as X. Then what happens, children? Decreased percentage, you have to write. Decreased percentage is 11%. That means from this, that is original population from 1200, when 11% is removed, what is that he said? Before adding the number, 32 less. Before adding the number means from this you have to subtract because x is after adding. So I have taken out that 1200, that is equal to 32. That means x minus 11% means 11 by 100 into x is equal to x minus 1200 minus 32. That is x minus 11x by 100 is equal to x minus this same sign, so I will be adding. Now I have calculated it. LCM I have taken, and further calculations you people know it how it has to be done. Then I have got 11,200 as x value. But actually, what is this x value? X value is original population with the 1200 increase. So now what I want? Original population. That means I have to subtract that 1200. If I subtract, I have got 10,000. That is the original population. Children, copy it. So I have completed today's topic. Next class, I will do the next one.